To complete your tour of the Mickey feeding tube, let's look at a few more important features. This is the feeding port. This is where the extension set is connected. This is another very helpful part of the Mickey feeding tube, the anti-reflux valve. It is located inside the feeding port, where its job is to help prevent the stomach contents from leaking out when the patient is not feeding and the extension set is not hooked up. Here is the feeding port cover. It prevents bits of formula, you might call it gunk, from accumulating inside the feeding port and valve. Here you see the Mickey feeding tube connected to the extension set. This is the secure lock connection mechanism. It allows the tube to move around so it's more comfortable. Now that you're familiar with the parts of the Mickey feeding tube and you know about the two different extension sets used to hook up for a feeding, let's walk through a typical feeding procedure from start to finish.